Lena, build your own vanity. 30 questions, 15 seconds. Are you ready? Let's go. Pick your vanity desk. Lisa or Lena? Pick your chair. Lisa or Lena? Your mirror, Lisa or Lena? Pick your drawer organizers, Lisa or Lena? Pick your brush holder, Lisa or Lena? Pick your makeup organizer, Lisa or Lena? Pick your favorite blush, Lisa or Lena? Pick your lip treatment, Lisa or Lena? Pick your eyeshadow palette, Lisa or Lena? Pick your favorite highlighter, Lisa or Lena? Pick your cleanser, Lisa or Lena? Pick your toner, Lisa or Lena? Pick your serum, Lisa or Lena? Pick your moisturizer, Lisa or Lena? Pick your eye cream, Lisa or Lena? Pick your lip scrub, Lisa or Lena? Pick a fun scent candle, Lisa or Lena? Pick a decoration, Lisa or Lena? Pick a lamp, Lisa or Lena? a phone holder. Lisa or Lena? Pick a cute cup for pens and pencils. Lisa or Lena? Pick your brush step. Lisa or Lena? Pick a fun trinket. Lisa or Lena? Pick a jewelry set. Lisa or Lena? Pick your face mask. Lisa or Lena? Pick your lip gloss or balm. Lisa or Lena? Pick your nail garner. Lisa or Lena? Pick your mascara. Lisa or Lena? Lastly, pick your perfume. Lisa or Lena? And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my video. If you did, please like it, subscribe to support me, and comment your favorite part of the video. Would you take this to build your future vanity? Let me know.